Good morning. Today is January 2, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Swear 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 2, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the SL Swear 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.